Yo, squad! Today we are hacking reality. If I dissolve infinite sugar into this 1 cup of water, the density will multiply to max stats. I am creating a literal armor potion to survival speed rush my next gym class. Wait, why is the game lagging? Dissolve, you laggy pixels! I have been stirring for 2 minutes, but this sugar armor is just sitting at the bottom refusing to load.
Cap check, bro. The solution is saturated. Water molecules have limited seating capacity.
Oh, no shot! So the molecular seats are full, and the extra sugar is literally getting kicked out to the bottom? My potion is capped by science. Bro, chemistry just locked my armor behind a paywall. So, no matter how hard I flex my arms, the water literally says sorry. No vacancy? This is soft locking my gains. Hold on, chat. The raid ain't over. To force more sugar in and unlock the armor, what's the ultimate alpha move? Heat it up or add more water? Lock in now. 3 seconds.
Heat creates more molecular spaces.
It worked! The energy is literally upgrading the stadium. Look at the scale. All 400 grams of sugar just dissolved completely. The vacancy is unlocked. Sheesh! Look at the crystals! As it cools down, the extra sugar is crashing out. It is building a literal diamond sword made of candy crystals. This is a massive weapon upgrade. Remember the cheat code, chat. Every liquid has a saturation limit. Turn up the heat, bypass the system, and spawn candy crystals. Science is cracked when you know the mechanics.
Don't be a bot. Sub now.